Did you ever got into a situation that your fob is gone or the battery is empty, then you try to turn on your bike and you can't? Harley-Davidson has an option to do that with a safety code. I'm going to show you right now how to expose your PIN and how to change it so you will always remember it. The first thing we do is we turn the switch 3 times: ignition, off, ignition, off, ignition. Then we're going to press the left turn signal 3 times and then the right one time. Then the code will show up on the speedometer. Now, in order to set your new code, the left signal button will increase the number by 1, while the right signal button will actually approve it, set it. Now, as you can see, I set the new code and I will just turn off the ignition. Thank you for watching. Stay with us for some more tips. Keep in mind that different years and models might have different combinations. So it can be ignition off, ignition off, ignition, and then twice left turn signal and once right signal. My bike is a 2009 Road King, and as you saw, the combination is ignition off, ignition off, ignition, then 3 times left signal button and 1 time right signal button.